ONPASSIVE, a new dawn in marketing. The world of marketing is ever evolving. New technologies emerge and the way we connect with audiences constantly shifts. In this dynamic landscape, ONPASSIVE stands out as a beacon of innovation. ONPASSIVE offers a suite of artificial intelligence-powered tools designed to simplify and enhance marketing efforts. It represents a paradigm shift from traditional marketing approaches, promising a future where businesses of all sizes can thrive. ONPASSIVE's significance lies in its ability to automate and optimize marketing processes. This allows businesses to focus on their core competencies, while the AI-driven platform handles the complexities of digital marketing. Imagine a world where your marketing campaigns run seamlessly, generating leads and driving conversions without constant manual intervention. This is the promise of ONPASSIVE. The platform's intuitive interface and powerful tools empower businesses to reach their target audience more effectively. ONPASSIVE's comprehensive suite of marketing solutions is designed to address the challenges businesses face in today's digital landscape. It's about harnessing the power of AI to achieve sustainable growth and success. But before we continue, please don't forget me and comment and subscribe below. Thanks.
Mastering ONPASSIVE marketing requires a strategic approach. It's about understanding the platform's capabilities and leveraging them to align with your business goals. One key strategy is to clearly define your target audience. Knowing who you want to reach is crucial for crafting effective marketing messages and campaigns.
Once you have a clear understanding of your audience, you can begin to leverage ONPASSIVE's tools to reach them effectively. Utilize the platform's email marketing features to nurture leads and build relationships. Create engaging content that resonates with your audience and share it across various social media platforms using ONPASSIVE's social media management tools. Another crucial strategy is to track your results meticulously. ONPASSIVE provides robust analytics and reporting features that offer valuable insights into your campaign's performance. By closely monitoring key metrics, you can identify areas for improvement and optimize your campaigns for better results. Remember, mastering ONPASSIVE is an ongoing journey of learning, adaptation, and continuous improvement. Let's delve into some actionable tips to put these strategies into practice. Start by crafting compelling email subject lines that entice recipients to open your messages. Personalize your emails to make them more engaging and relevant to your subscribers.
When creating content for social media, focus on providing value to your audience. Share informative articles, eye-catching visuals, and engaging videos that capture their attention. Use relevant hashtags to expand your reach and attract your target audience. Experiment with different types of content to see what resonates best with your audience. Don't be afraid to try new things and adjust your strategies based on the results you observe. Remember, consistency is key in digital marketing. Regularly posting valuable content and engaging with your audience helps you stay top of mind and build stronger relationships.
Section 4. The ONPASSIVE Advantage, Reaping the Rewards. Using ONPASSIVE offers numerous benefits for businesses of all sizes.
One of the most significant advantages is its ability to automate tedious marketing tasks. This frees up valuable time and resources that can be redirected towards other essential business operations.
ONPASSIVE's AI-powered tools provide intelligent insights and recommendations that help optimize marketing campaigns for better results.
The platform's comprehensive suite of solutions ensures that all your marketing needs are met in one centralized location.
Furthermore, ONPASSIVE's affordability makes it an attractive option for businesses operating with limited marketing budgets.
By leveraging the power of ONPASSIVE, businesses can level the playing field and compete effectively, regardless of their size or budget.
The platform empowers businesses to reach their full potential and achieve sustainable growth in the ever-evolving digital landscape.
The platform empowers businesses to reach their full potential and achieve sustainable growth in the ever-evolving digital landscape. For more information about ONPASSIVE and how it can help you make money marketing, please go to the description below. Thank you and have a prosperous day.